Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the left slide rail assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 10mm socket wrench and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new left slide rail assembly. This slide rail supports the left side of the freezer drawers. It's mounted on the left side of the freezer cabinet. The most common reason to replace the left slide rail assembly is if it breaks and no longer allows the freezer door to open and to close. To get to the part, we need to open both refrigerator doors. Next, I'm going to open the freezer door, and then I'm going to remove this top drawer. Pull it out, lift it up, and remove it. And the next step would be removing this basket out. I'm lifting up the inside edge and pulling it out. Now my next move is to take out the two of those bolts on this side and two on the opposite side so we can remove the freezer door. I'm using a 10mm socket wrench, and we're going to take them out. So now the door is only held in place by two pair of hooks. There's one pair right there, one is here, another one is over there, and then one on the top here and one on the top here. That would be second pair. So I'm going to tilt the door to disengage the bottom hooks, and then I'm going to lift it up. Next, we're going to remove this connecting rod. I'm going to slide it to the right into this longer gear so we can free the left side. All right, now I dived into the freezer and using a flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to press down this tab that holds the rail, and then we're going to pull it out. This is the old left slide rail assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now I'm going to install the new slide assembly and put it into this rail on the left side and push it in. And when it's going to reach that tab at the back, it's going to lock. I thought you heard the click. As you can see, it's locked. I'm going to extend both rails out all the way till it stops. And then I'm going to install this connecting rod. First, we're going to slide it into this longer gear all the way in. Then we're going to go to the left side and connect it into this shorter gear. Let's put the freezer door back onto these rails, and I'm gonna install the top hooks first. And I'm gonna straighten up the door so the bottom hooks will interlock. All right, I'm gonna secure the door with 4 10mm bolts. We're gonna start on this side. I'm going to put a couple of in, and I'm going to use the 10mm socket wrench, and I'm going to tighten it. Next is the basket. I'm going to install it in. And the drawer. When installing the drawer, We put this tabs at the back over the rails inside by lifting the rear end, and we can slide the door closed. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.